No adult lion drinks milk. No adult wolf. No adult chimp. Yet you might have poured some into your coffee this morning. Why are we the strange ones? Every mammal on Earth drinks milk as a baby, then stops. The kitten weaned from its mother never touches milk again. Humans are the only species that drinks the milk of another animal. We drink cow milk, goat milk, sheep milk, even camel milk. This should not be possible. For most of human history, adult bodies couldn't handle it. Something rewrote our biology, and it happened recently. This is the story of a mutation. The sugar in milk is called lactose. Your gut must break it down. To digest lactose, you need an enzyme called lactase. Every human baby makes lactase. It's how we survive on breast milk. But here is the default setting of our species. After weaning, the body switches the lactase gene off. Around 2/3 of adults worldwide cannot fully digest lactose. Without lactase, milk sugar ferments in the gut, cramps, bloating, worse. So how did anyone start drinking it? The answer begins around 10,000 years ago, in the Near East. Humans had just begun to farm, and to keep animals. Cattle, sheep, and goats gave meat, hides, and something new: milk. A risky new food source. At first, drinking raw milk likely made early farmers sick. So they got clever. They fermented it instead. Cheese and yogurt have far less lactose than fresh milk. Ancient pottery confirms it. Milk fats cling to the clay. Richard Evershed. His team analyzed thousands of prehistoric pottery shards across Europe. They traced dairy use back nearly 9,000 years, long before most people could actually digest fresh milk. Then the mutation appeared. A tiny change near the lactase gene kept it switched on. This trait is called lactase persistence. The gene never shuts off. Carry it, and you can drink milk your whole life. Sarah Tishkoff. She found that this mutation arose more than once. Different versions appeared in Europe, the Middle East, and Africa. Evolution solved the same problem independently, in multiple populations. In Northern Europe, over 90% of adults carry it. In parts of East Asia, almost no one does. The mutation spread with stunning speed. That puzzled scientists. Strong natural selection means survival depended on this trait. But why would milk be a matter of life and death? Researchers offered several answers over the years. Milk gave clean calories when crops failed or water was unsafe. It carried calcium and vital calories in sunless northern winters. Drink milk and survive. Don't, and you might not. For years, that famine and calcium story seemed enough. But a 2022 study turned the explanation upside down. Most ancient farmers drank milk for thousands of years anyway. The mutation only spread fast during times of famine and disease. The team studied ancient DNA and a vast bank of British records. Mark Thomas. He argues milk was a survival buffer, not an everyday drink. When starvation hit, the lactose intolerant suffered most and died. Severe diarrhea from milk can be deadly in a famine. So the gene that let you drink milk safely won out. We didn't tame milk. Famine tamed us. Your glass of milk is a fossil of ancient hunger. And if dairy upsets your stomach, you are not broken. You simply carry the original human setting. Next time you pour milk, remember, that ability is brand new. A few thousand years old, written into you by survival itself.